Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the transition not working problem in DaVinci Resolve. Here I have three scenarios to work with. If I go to the first group and try to add a transition, you can see that the transition fits perfectly. Let's see that second group now. If I try to add the transition here, you can see that it sits only on the left side, not the right side. Let's go to the third group and add the transition. You can see that my transition literally took a nap and refuses to wake up. It just won't snap on. To logically explain this behavior, let's go to the first group, open the inspector pane for transitions, and analyze our first transition. In this case, it's 22 frames long. By the way, if you're on DaVinci Resolve 18.5 or later, you can now set the default length of all your future transitions with this button. So if our 22-frame long transition is smack in the middle of two clips, then it must need 11 frames from the end of the left clip and 11 frames from the start of the right clip. If we take this apart, we see, sure enough, that we can extend this one by at least 11 or more frames, and the other one is the same. That's why when we put it all together, our 22-frame long transition has enough data to work with. Using what we've just learned, let's fix our last scenario. We'll need to shave off at least 11 frames from both clips. Here, the transition works on the left side, so we have to cut frames on the left side. I'll position my playhead in the middle of both clips, deselect everything, and hit the equals key to edit the timecode. We need 11 frames for the transition, but you should take a bit more just to be sure. In my case, I will type 15 and hit enter to move the playhead 15 frames backwards. Now, cut the clip for that part. You can also select the clip and ripple delete up to the playhead if you want. Now, if I try to add the transition, you can see that it works perfectly. Let's go to the third group. As the transition doesn't work at all here, we need to cut frames from both clips. You can cut the clips by dragging the edges as well. Just remember that you need to cut 11 frames or more. You can see the frames you are cutting while dragging the edges. Now, if I add the transition, you can see that it fits perfectly. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.